kids, good morning to all. I hope you all are staying only at home only. If you want to step out, what you have to do? You should wear mask, right? So, how much fruits are important? Even the vegetables is also very important for our health, right? So, we going to learn what vegetables, right? So, shall we start? Yes. What is this? It's a capsicum. What is this? Capsicum, right? What is this? What is this? It's a, what is it which has very big, right? So when you use this, have you seen this? What is this? It's a pumpkin, right? So you drink, we can make soup with this, right? So what is this? Pumpkin. What is this? Peas. Peas. This is what we call pod. Okay. So these are little peas. So if you see the full, so it's called peas pod, right? So what is this? Peas. So this most of kids like this, right? So tomatoes. What color tomato? Red. Tomatoes are red, right? So what is this? Cauliflower. What is that? Cauliflower, right? So you can see these in your houses. So potato. What is this? Potato. So what is this? Which vegetable? Brinjal, which has crown, right? So brinjal. Carrot. Who eat carrot? You? Yes, but which is a small animal and carrot is their favorite food. Yes, it's a rabbit, right? So rabbit love to eat carrot, right? So here what is this? Carrot. Now what is this? Chili. So these are capsicum, right? So this is yellow capsicum and here red capsicum. We can see these green capsicum, right? So if you find, we'll get these also, right? What is this? Yellow capsicum, red capsicum and here a green capsicum. What is this? Cucumber, right? So this we use as smoothie, right? So we can use it on our eyes, right? If we eat in summer, it's make us feel little cold, right? We feel little cool, right? So this is what? Cucumber. So here what? If your mother cut, your mother will start crying, right? Because onions. What is this? It's because of onions was very spicy, right? So when your mother start cutting these, then that makes your mother cry, right? So what is that? Onions. Here corn. So you can see, you can have it, right? So what is that? Sweet corn. When you say sweet corn, right? So these are what? Corn, right? So what we learn? Corn, onions, cucumber, yellow, red and green capsicum, carrot, brinjal, potato, cauliflower, here tomato, peas, and the last one is what? Pumpkin, right? Not only these vegetables, we can see many vegetables like ladyfinger, radish, right? So these are many other vegetables that we eat, and there are some leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander, right? Methi, methi means fenugreek, right? So these are what the fruits we can see in our daily life, right? So if we eat, that makes you more stronger, right? So before that we already know the vegetables name now. So can we sing one rhyme? Ready? Yes.
Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice, which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I eat some belly with milk and rice. Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice, which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I eat some belly with milk and rice.
So this is what we can eat them every day, right? So we eat every day, that make more healthy, like Superman, right? So if you want to be a Superman, you should drink and eat fruits. What we can drink? Yes, we can drink carrot juice. That makes more wiser, right? So this is all what vegetable. And before that, what we have to do? Here, keep you strong. These vegetable makes you more stronger. Wash it, eat some raw. So we can eat them raw. Some of vegetables like carrot, cucumber, tomatoes, we can eat them raw, means without cooking, right? So, but before eating, what we have to do? We have to wash it properly, right? So if we wash it properly, then only we can eat. Some of them we have to cook, like potatoes we can't eat it directly, right? Adanna tinnakagalla directly. So what we have to do? We have to cook it, right? So then we can have it, right? So fruits make more healthier and stronger and more wiser too, right? So you just have to revise it, okay? So we are just going to revise one more time, okay? Now you have to tell me the names, okay? Can you tell me the name? Yes, pumpkin. You have become more smarter, right? So because you are eating more vegetables, right? So here what is this? Cauliflower. Potato. What is that? Did you forgot or did you say? Yes, it's a capsicum. Green Yellow, red capsicum. Carrot. Right? Onions. What is that? Onion. Cucumber. Tomato. Corn. Brinjal. Peas. So what? Vegetables, right? So which vegetable your mother is preparing today? What vegetable you are eating today? Yes, you going to eat all the vegetables, but you have to wash them and eat them, right? If you eat clean vegetable or fruits, right, so it is more healthier, right? This is all about today's class. What? Vegetable, right? You just go, I'll just give you a small activity, okay? Just keep one basket, keep all the vegetables, and you have to do like a shopkeeper, right? So you have to sell these vegetables to your family member. I hope you will do that. Until then, see you for the next class. Have a great day.